Okay, so we're at the next and final step in our Do Your Whiskey kit. 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks in a day, these were White Dogs, Buffalo Trace White Dogs, Buffalo Trace White Dog Mash Bill number 1, the low rye mash bill, which makes Buffalo Trace, Eagle Rare, etc., benchmark foolproof, and the Buffalo Trace Wheated Mash Bill, which makes Weller, Antique 107, Reserve, etc., Poppy Van Winkle. This is not going to be Poppy Van Winkle. But in any event, we strained out the wood chips, so they're no longer there. These were vanilla wood chips to give it that flavor. I did the tasting of it a few days ago. It still has that White Dog, very sweet taste, but it does have some impact of the wood chips. Just a little bit. I think the wheated was a little softer, a little sweeter and softer than the rye mash bill, which kind of makes sense. Next step, we're going to be adding in botanicals for 24 hours. I just chose these randomly of the ones I have: cocoa beans and cinnamon. I have no idea what I'm doing here, but that's kind of the fun of it. We will put those botanicals in now. Here we go. Okay, so we added the botanicals, both the cinnamon and the coffee beans, and you can see them right here. See them swimming around there. I did the cinnamon first. I was actually going to stop there and not add the coffee beans, but I'm like, I have a lot of botanicals to use here, and I just figured, what the heck, let's add a little coffee flavor, a little cinnamon. It's got the vanilla. We'll have a whole spectrum of flavors. So this is going to sit for 24 hours, then we let it sit for like another 12 hours when I take the botanicals out, and then we'll taste it on camera. Cheers.